BNI Mpumalanga, Lifelong Learning 2022. You know the why of BNI. Now learn the how and practice the what in online interactive blended learning. Select your own syllabus. Delivered digitally on your mobile devices, designed to your needs. With opportunities to review and revise the content in your own time. From our own regional learning platform. Share your experiences and learn from fellow members, while building collaborative networking relationships. Your guides on these journeys, Philip, Jolene, Marnus and Colin. Book now for the first session, 20 January 1500. We look forward to seeing you in Lifelong Learning 2022.